Okay, now we're going to be looking at the last topic in quadratic factorization. That's quadratic equation with given roots. Look at the question. The first question said, find the quadratic equation whose roots are 5 and 6. They are asking us to use this one to bring out equation, a quadratic equation. Very simple. The root of plus 5 and plus 4. So simple. We now say x plus this 5 now, open close bracket, then bracket x plus this 4 equal to 0. Now let's open the bracket. I've taught you this pattern before. Using this everything here to multiply everything here. Now s times s will give me what? S squared. S times 4 will give me plus 4x. 5 times x will give me what? Plus 5x. 5 times 4 will give me what? 20 equal to 0. These two, they are the same. You can add them together. So now I have what? S squared plus this will give me what? 9x plus 20 equal to 0. This is the equation they ask us to look for. This is very simple. Now let's check the other one. It said, given that 3 is a root of the equation, this is the equation, let's bring it out, s squared minus 8x plus 6 equal to 0. Say find a. The first is say find the value of a. This is a, not 9, please. This is a. Let me write it well. They say find the value of a. Then the other one, find the other root. They give us one root. Now, since the root, if the root is 3, so x is equal to 3. Are you there? So that's to say, this 3 now, we'll now use it to replace anywhere we find x in this equation, we'll change it to 3. Since s squared will now be what? 3 squared minus, that's 3a, 3a plus 6 equal to what? 0. S squared will give me 9 minus 3a plus 6 equal to what? 0. So let's rearrange it now. 9 and 6 will work together. We'll now have minus 3a plus 9 plus 6 will give me 0. 9 plus 6 will give us 15. Now minus 3a is equal to 15. Plus 15 is equal to what? 0. So let me divide this word. Then we collect like terms. So now have minus 3a is equal to what? Collecting like term, let me write it here. Collecting like term when plus equal to become minus 15. So divide both sides by minus 3. Since there is minus here, we need to remove this minus. So now I have what? A will now because of minus 15 over minus 3. Minus we cancel minus, therefore our A will now be equal to what? 5. When 3 going to 15 to give me 5. So we have succeeded in looking for the first one. This is the first one. They said A. We have done the first one. Now the other root. Let's find the other root. Since A is 5, so anywhere we see a here now from this equation, now s squared minus ax plus 6 equal to 0. So let's change this a to 5. Now s squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to what? 0. Now here, what you will do is this. What will be the number that if you multiply it, it will give you plus 6. But if you subtract or add them together, it will give you minus 5. What will be the number? The numbers are minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 times minus 3 will give us plus 6. Minus 2 plus minus 3 will give us what? Minus 5. So from here now, we'll now have it as what? X minus 2, open bracket, x minus 3 close bracket equal to what? 0. So we cannot say that, so let me use this side, permit me to use here, continue with it. We cannot say that, remember I will not say x minus 2 equal to 0, then the other one, x minus 3 is equal to what? 0. If I collect like 10, then x plus minus will cross, become what? 2, then x, if minus also will become what? 3. So the two roots now, you remember they gave us the first one to be 3. The second root now, the second root is equal to what? 2. This is the